I turned my life into a video game for 4 months. Today, I want to show you how I use Notion to gamify my life and what I've achieved so far. Before I start gamifying my life, I was doom scrolling for hours. TikTok, Facebook, like bills didn't exist. I didn't have a job since October. I felt stuck, like I was in a life coma till 10 a.m. I didn't really have anything going for me, but I know in my overthinking, chaotic brain that I really need to get my shit together. I kept thinking, how do I get motivated without relying on other people? I felt useless, like I didn't deserve anything. So I discovered something while trying out Notion templates, looking for that perfect template to boost my entire life. So I realized I could turn my life into a video game, so I did. I created my own character. I treated every minute like a quest with instant rewards. I built four life areas: lifestyle, livelihood, leisure, and luxury. That's a lot of L's. Then I created quests for each one. I picked traits and skills I wanted to improve. So every time I read, I gain XP or experience for wisdom. When I eat healthy, I gain endurance XP. My quest gives me the list of things I need to do every day. And I set each habit to pair up with trait or skill I want to level up or streak that I want to track. I manually log quests when I do content planning, study or journal or manage projects, or even if I wanted to bookmark some websites. I log my hobbies now. I never miss doing any quests and I love it. I set rewards like 30 XP for easy tasks, 50 XP for the hard stuff, things I dread doing, like for real. When I don't dread doing it or it's no longer draining, I reduce the XP or remove it. So now I complete like 5 quests a day, give or take, around 150 XP worth. I do lose XP when I give in to bad habits, so I think twice now. I'm now at level 19, that's over 1,000 habits completed, give or take. Before, I felt like an imposter. Now, I know that I've built something real. With every quest I complete, I become a little more confident, less leaning on the imposter syndrome. I think I can finally say I am a creative Notion content creator. And would you look at that? I'm wise and kind too. Not sure I believe it. I'm still not making consistent income yet, but now I'm just enjoying my RPG journey. I'm still far from my goals, but I'm not giving up because this template is truly a game changer for me. So I hope it becomes that for you too. My endurance trait shows how far I've come. Health wise, I journal daily, I eat better and not gorge on junk food. I'm building my brand bit by bit. The traits and skills are customizable. My avatar page tells me my growth. I'm excited now to complete quests more than ever. Excited to level up. Excited to be here. We hang out, share our quests, and play cozy games like Stardew, Mystria, Genshin, and Nikki. If that sounds like your vibe, my link in bio has it all. Thanks so much for letting me share your space and listening to my gamified journey. And I hope your own journey is full of meaningful and rewarding XP too.